How to scan a snap code from a screenshot. Hey everyone, welcome back to this quick tutorial video. Today I will guide you that how can you scan a snap code from a screenshot on your camera roll. So let's get started. On this process, at first, open the Snapchat application with your account. Alright, after you open Snapchat, you'll got such interface. So from your at the top right corner, tap on the friend icon. Alright, so from the section again, tap on the icon Snapchat, which will appear again at the top right corner. Okay, so from this section, you can easily find the snap code from your camera roll. So simply from your select a snap code from your screenshot to scan it. Alright, after tap on that, you can easily scan that snap code, and from this interface, you can easily add that snap code friend from your Snapchat. So simply tap on the option add over here, and after you tap on that, you can easily add that friend or Snapchat ID from your Snapchat account by scanning your snap code. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to give a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.